A bitter battle is unfolding over the late industrialist Sanjay Kapoor's nearly 30,000 crore rupees estate, and now the Delhi High Court has stepped in to demand transparency. The key players? His children, Samaira and Kian, represented by their mother, Karishma Kapoor. The dispute centers around a will that surfaced just 7 weeks after Sanjay Kapoor's passing, a will that his children claim is forged and was hidden from them. They say they were previously assured that no such will existed. Mahesh Jethmalani, the senior lawyer representing Karishma Kapoor's children, emphasizes that this isn't about the trust's benefits, it's about securing their future through their rightful inheritance. He says, this litigation is about securing the future of Sanjay Kapoor's children and ensuring fair access to the assets held in India and abroad. At the heart of this case is a March 2025 will, which allegedly leaves all of Sanjay Kapoor's personal estate to his third wife, Priya Sachdev. But there's a catch. The will hasn't been registered or probated. In fact, the children haven't even been shown a copy of it. In response to the growing tension, the Delhi High Court has ordered the disclosure of the will and a full list of Sanjay Kapoor's assets, which includes properties both in India and abroad. Priya Sachdev's legal team has claimed that the children already received 1,900 crore rupees from the RK Family Trust. But sources confirm that this amount is based on shares of Sona Comstar, which the children still haven't received access to. These assets remain under Priya's control. Mahesh Jethmalani puts it simply, assuming the estate is worth 30,000 crore and the children having allegedly received 1,900 crore from the RK Trust, still leaves over 28,000 crore to Priya Sachdev Kapoor. Would she forsake a good part of that fortune? One has to understand and appreciate that this litigation is to ensure all the 5 Class 1 heirs, including the 2 children of Karishma and Sanjay Kapoor, receive fair access to his estate. As the case unfolds, the children still haven't been given a copy of the will or any clarity on their father's personal assets. This raises important questions about transparency, fairness, and the rights of children in inheritance disputes, issues that extend far beyond this one family. The outcome of this case could set an important precedent for future inheritance battles. Stay tuned as this high-stakes drama continues to unfold.